food is a weapon. When you sell real weapons, you control armies. When you control food, you control society. But when you control seed, you control life on Earth. Industrial farming is the single biggest destructive force on the planet today. The war against the Earth begins in the minds of men. And I mean men.
Vandana Shiva is one of the most prominent activists in the world.
Oh my God, he's a hero.
This is Vandana Shiva. I'm Van as a part of Vandana.
She's a warrior to the patriarchal system that destroys.
Vandana was one of the pioneers who started the global seed movement.
Owning intellectual property right on seed is a pathetic attempt at seed dictatorship. We started to fight GMOs through growing seeds and saving seeds.
She does knowingly make statements which are clearly inaccurate and incorrect.
Demonizes modern agriculture.
The organic elite.
Anyone who's going to stand up to big corporations is going to come under attack.
40% of the solution to climate change lies in organic, ecological farming in the hands of small farmers.
Today, one of the big movements is around regenerative agriculture.
We have the power, we will change, and we will be the change we want to see, and no one is going to stop us.
Vandana Shiva is Monsanto's worst nightmare.
We will not be stopped. We have a duty to save seeds. Little old lady from India. Oh, why did she drive you nuts?